In this video, I am going to be teaching you how to change your YouTube profile picture on Android. This is a very simple process that only takes a few seconds to complete. So keep watching this video and let's jump right into it. So in order to do this process, make sure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube app, otherwise, this will not work. So, if you are already using the latest version, open up your app. And then when you are on the YouTube homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. And then from this list of options, tap on your channel. So when you are on your channel, tap on this pencil icon on the right to edit your channel. So when you are on this screen, if you want to change your YouTube profile picture, all you want to do is tap on this camera icon at the top middle of the screen. And then you can take a photo right now, or you can choose a picture from your photos. So I am simply going to choose a picture from my gallery. So this will show you all the recent images on your phone. Scroll down and tap on any image that you like. Then you can crop it to a specific part that you like. And then you can tap Save at the top right of the screen to change this image as your new YouTube profile picture. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.